Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video, and in this video we will go to the Matcha Hills, aka the Chocolate Hills. We also go to the tarsier monkeys, the tiny monkeys. We will hop into a very dark cave with creepy creatures. We had some great breakfast and we've got 4 little breads for like 40 pesos. It was 35 but we gave 40 because it's really cheap. And then it was time to hop on the bus. These things are really huge, and I just spotted another one over here. They are huge and they are not venomous, but if you touch them your skin can be a little bit burny. And we are stopping on this main road right now, and one of these trees can build one house over here, but I don't see any animals at all. No monkeys, no birds. It's really quiet here.
Scrunchy for your hair.
Scrunchy, a hair scrunch.
Scrunchy animal.
What the hell? They're growing on trees. Why are they so expensive? I found another one. Oh, another one. There are a lot of these. He's going for the beer. First go to the Bohol tarsier conservation. We will see the very small bed monkeys. Apparently they will commit suicide if you are making too much noise or if you're using flashlights. So we have to be very quiet. They will literally jump with their head to a tree until they're dead if they are scared. That's so sad. We apparently also go to this cave. Let's enter the cave with this party light. Watch out for your head. I don't see any spiders yet.
Good.
The first one is there on the side.
But it's not close by. It's not.
Oh.
No,
No, it's over there.
but it's not that big. It's okay. Hey, die zagen wij in de jungle.
Not that big.
I would consider we're in Thailand.
This
we
is
call
pretty
it on the
big,
tree
right?
Big. No.
I call this big. It's beautiful.
Okay, Sven is allowed to take pictures, right?
It's indeed warm instead of cold. There's a huge toad over here. A frog.
Oh.
The biggest one I've ever seen.
Oh, frog? I'm afraid of frogs.
Oh, and also a spider over here.
Oh, and a spider.
Here's the spider.
Oh, where's the spider? And a frog.
Here's the front, behind the rock.
Behind.
It's really big. I'm scared the shit out of you. Me as well.
Okay.
They should avoid you, right? Hopefully.
I don't know that.
Oh, it's coming again. I hear it.
Okay. It looks like a zoo over here.
Whoa.
Or here.
Another huge spider. If they jump.
No.
But if they jump, then I'm screaming like a girl. There's a plant growing here. So sick. Yeah, this is the nest of the bat, maybe.
This one's a yellow bird.
Oh wow.
Yeah, 2 eggs.
Oh.
The eggs.
Yeah, the egg because you have bird.
Ah yes.
Oh wow.
Cool. That's my bread, Fleur. 1,200 hills. We arrived at the Chocolate Hills and it is really beautiful already. And we can go up there. It's 250 steps, but this is nothing compared to Thailand with the Tiger Cave Temple. This is maybe 1/10 of it. So this is 2 minutes walk easy. Fleur is very quick. They also say it's 250 Filipino steps and 110 European steps. It's really easy.
Thank you.
Are you tired already?
No.
We started going way too fast. Almost made it though. I see a drone flying. But it's forbidden, but I want to do it too, but it's not allowed to, so too bad. I think this is a drone zone. Alright, it is really hot and humid here. But I mean, take a look at this. It's beautiful. Did you like the view?
Yes.
It was
But
nice,
I like
right?
the wind also.
Oh yeah, now it's a little bit cooler and more wind. That's better. I put on my bandana because it's very hot up here. And also sunny and I don't want to burn. The Chocolate Hills were really great and we had a nice day. I will put a link in the description for the trip if you want to do it as well. It is a guided trip. And now we're very close to the hotel again. So we're gonna grab another iced coffee here because we like it so much. And the bread over here was really good too. Got another
Iced coffee.
iced coffee.
Oh, it's
Harder.
not working.
Like this. It looks so good. I love iced coffee. We are back in the hotel and everything is made up tidy again. And for the last 2 days my stomach is a little bit hurting and I have a little bit diarrhea, not too much. But I think I know why I have it. Because 2 days ago I thought I was eating a green bean, but it was just a pure pepper. Very pure, very spicy pepper. So I think that's why everything's going a little bit faster now, but I'm all good though. The work spot of the day. Could be worse. We are hungry again and now we're gonna eat right here at the restaurant. Very local food. One
One rice.
One rice?
En dan die boontjes wil ik erbij.
This is something like organ and chicken organ. I don't like the organs.
Just one rice, not.
Yes,
One
small
rice please.
yes.
Dinner time, very local Filipino food. Enjoy!
Maar die
It is
aubergine-
really good. She was really surprised when we arrived at the restaurant because it's a restaurant for locals, not for tourists, and it only costed 215 pesos. That's like a little bit more than 3 euros. So obviously we gave her some more, and now we're going for an ice cream at 7-Eleven. We bought some snacks at the 7-Eleven, some ice cream, the cookies and cream. Woo! This was an extra 7 euros, but it's all worth it. Also the Pocari. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. And I will see you guys on Saturday with this new zipline video. Bye bye.